Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to discuss about trend-based extension, or it is also called as price projection. So what is the use of this trend-based extension? So this tool is used to set the targets or to find out the better entry points. So once we have taken the entry in any setup, in order to find the targets of that setup, we use this trend based extension, and in some cases we also use this tool to find the entry points as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before getting started, I would like to inform you that this is the fourth video of this Fibonacci mastery course. And if you have directly jumped into this video, so I recommend you to go back and watch all the videos and come here for the better understanding, because every video in the series is interlinked, and for the better understanding follow the series from the first video till the end. So in this video we are going to discuss about trend based Fibonacci extension. Thereafter we are also going to see some cluster, and by using cluster how to find major supports and resistance. Thereafter we are going to combine price action with this Fibonacci. Price action like chart patterns and candlestick patterns and lot more along with the Fibonacci. And also we are going to add some indicators with Fibonacci to find a proper setups and some live trades and some strategies, and after that live tradings and lot more to come in this Fibonacci mastery course. So in order to not to miss any of these videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Indus Trader. And if not, here you will see a red color subscribe button. Press on it, and thereafter you get a bell icon like this. Click on it and just click on all option here. So if you do this, as I upload the video, you will get the notification. So now today's topic, let's directly jump into that. As I explained you, this Fibonacci trend based extension is used for targets as well as entry points. So first let's discuss about the entry point or target. Like, let's start with the target and followed by entry point. So for the target we use this impulse move, correction, impulse and correction. This is how a trend follows. So in order to find this correction, we used to use the retracement tool. So in order to find these targets, we can use this trend based extension tool. So to get this tool, in this row, the third option you get a arrow, just same like the Fibonacci approach. In the just below the Fibonacci retracement you get a trend based Fib extension, and this is the fyers platform where I use. You can see we have lot of options in the fyers, like just beside the whatever the tools you have a star icon. If you click on it, then you will add all your favorite tools to a favorite bar here, so which is very handy to use, and I place fast orders, and my scalping trades improved a lot after joining the fyers. So you can also have a try because it's completely free, zero AMC, zero joining fees and no fees, no hidden charges. So if you want to open the account, link is in the description. Just go and click on that link, and which will be also helpful for our channel. So now we have seen how to select this trend based extension tool. So let me show you the settings as well, and these are my personal settings. Even you can copy the settings or just pause the video and take the screenshot of these settings. And let me also scroll down for you. You can see every settings, you can copy this. Okay, now we have also seen the settings of this tool. So now in order to set the target, we have to cover this impulse move followed by this correction. So just very easy. As we know, in any trend, for example this chart is in the uptrend in the 15-minute time frame. So this is impulse correction and followed by a impulse. So here, in order to set the targets, we should find this impulse move between this A and B, followed by BC is your correction move. So for the targets, your impulse move should be your AB and your correction move should be BC. So simply click on the tool. So let's draw the Fibonacci extension here from this low to this high and again here. So I have dragged somewhat to the right side in order to see these values clearly, and you can see exactly at one it got one rejection candle and again it started to come to its correction move. So we can place our targets at 1, 1.2 and 1.6. So it depends upon the trend what you can see. So this is how we calculate the target. So now coming to how to calculate the entry points. As I explained you, so let me remove all this and let me explain you. Let me also bring this to down, and you can see here for the target we have considered AB as impulse and BC as correction. So if you want, even you can take the screenshot of it. Is for entry points, AB will be our correction and impulse will be our BC, just like this. So simply place the Fibonacci tool from this AB to C. So you can see exactly at 1.2 it have taken the support, and it is also one of the best setups. The trend line faces the Fibonacci levels. We get some good risk to reward trades here. In further we are also going to make a video on this, and very simple. If you have taken this, so now how to place the target. Let's say you have taken the entry here, so let me also mark that entry level for you. So let's say we have taken the entry here. Okay, so now how to place the targets. Very simple. Now if this is your entry, so what is our swing? This is gonna to be our swing, right? So let's place A, B and see. Very simple, this is going to be our target. So I hope you understand everything here. If not, nothing to worry, just go back and watch the video again. For this we have calculated our entry. After taking entry, we consider this impulse and correction for trend based extension in order to find the targets. So I hope you understand how to take the entry as well as targets. So simple. For the target, AB should be our impulse move and BC should be, let me also write it here, AB and BC. So very simple. For the entry, your correction will be AB and impulse will be BC. I hope you are getting this. It's look like little complicated, but trust me, if you practice once or twice, then you definitely come to know it's not that tough. So even we are going to see some example, nothing to worry. So this is JSW 15-minute time frame, and you can see I have marked this impulse and correction, so which mean I am planning for the target. So you can see exactly at 1, 1.2 and 1.6 exactly respected these levels. And let's move to one more chart and find this again impulse move and the correction. By this we are getting some targets, and you can see how accurately it is working. So now I'm going to show you multiple setups in this. So this is in the downtrend, this is DMAT chart. So you can see this completely in the downtrend. So we are going to find one entry point. So this is correction and followed by a impulse. So I have marked AB as this correction and BC as this impulse, and you can see exactly at the one we got the entry. So let's also move to one more entry. For these are the charts for the entry level, but if you observe here clearly, I wantedly place this here because I want to show you that in the sideways it will not work. You can see in the sideways it will not work at its best. So I prefer you to use this tool, either Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci trend based extension. Use it in the trendy market. So you can use here, you can simply use here, you can see exactly at the one you can book your target, not the one but 1.2 you can book the target, or 1.6 you can wait for this target. So let's say if you want to take one more entry, you can place this correction move followed by this impulse move in order to find the entry. Just simply remember this. For the impulse we use, for the target we calculate impulse first and followed by correction. For the entry we calculate correction first and followed by the impulse. So this is how you have to point ABC. For the target, impulse will be AB and correction will be BC. For entry, your correction will be AB and your impulse will be BC. So I hope you understand about this Fibonacci trend based extension tool, and hope you understand this, and we will see you in the next video with another concept. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.